Hello everybody, thank you for watching this video. Now, today we are going to talk about CFC. Let's start off with the significance of CFC. These 4 items, which is refrigerator, the refrigerator, polystyrene, air conditioner, and the aerosol tin are the example of 4 most often used examples of CFC that people in Malaysians particularly use. All of these items are very helpful, especially the air conditioner. Sometimes, me myself, I would let the air conditioner to operate for more than 6 hours a day. Why? Well, in Malaysia, our weather is very hot. So that's why I need to let the air conditioner to do their work and give me a colder temperature of surrounding. But this comfortableness is making us to betray our beloved Earth. Betray how? Okay, so by using CFC, we are actually destroying our ozone layer, which have so many significance to us. This is the significance of ozone layer. First, it maintains the earth temperature, prevent us from getting direct exposure to UV ray, and the most important is help remove pollutant from the surface of the earth.
Little did you guys know that CFC gas majority came from machine that could convert temperature drastically, and I'm pretty sure that every house have this machine, which is refrigerator and air conditioner. This machine was a major contributor in the formation of CFC gas, which
Let's
will
go
lead
to
the
ozone
thinning
layer.
of ozone layer. You guys might be wondering, what is CFC? CFC actually stands for chlorofluorocarbon. They are chemically stable freon that are non-flammable. CFC contains carbon, fluorine, and chlorine. CFC is a tetrahedral symmetry because the fluorine and chlorine vary greatly in size and effective charge from hydrogen and each other. The chloride in CFC is more polarizable than the fluoride. CFC have high boiling point and high density than their corresponding alkanes. From this Lewis dot structure of chlorofluorocarbon, we can clearly observe that one carbon atom will share 1 electron to each 3 chloride atom and 1 fluoride atom. Now I'm going to explain how exactly CFC gas will lead to the depletion of ozone layer. When the ultraviolet radiation strikes through a CFC molecules in air, it causes the chlorine atom to break away from the molecules. The free chlorine atom then will collide with an ozone molecules and combine with oxygen atom to form a chlorine monoxide and leaves a molecule of oxygen. When a free atom of oxygen collide with the chlorine monoxide, the oxygen atoms form a molecule of oxygen. The chlorine atom is then released and continue to break the ozone layer. These steps repeat until the ozone layer becomes thinner.
The result from the reaction, the thinning of the ozone layer has been recorded by scientists, and it will cause formation of an ozone hole. The hole at the ozone layer allows UV radiation to pass through the ozone layer and reach human. The consequences of ozone depletion are very severe. Prolonged exposure to ultraviolet radiation can lead to higher risk of skin cancer, such as melanoma. The rate of skin cancer keep increasing and become more worsened in every year. This problem has caught many attention from scientists, and they do some research to improve this condition. After doing a lot of research, the scientists finally find a way to reduce the ozone depletion by reducing or stop the use of CFC. HCFC, hydrochlorofluorocarbon, will replace the use of CFC.
Okay, now we have HCFC. So I'm gonna tell you from the beginning, starting with this mother and child. they let their refrigerator open and their air conditioner open. Why? Because they want to release the HCFC and try out what's the difference. Now I'm going to show you in a blink what's the difference between CFC and HCS. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it yet? No. Okay, let's try again. I bet you still don't get it yet. Let me show you the answer. Right, so we're starting off with HCFC. You see, 1 and 2. There's 2 chlorine atoms in HCFC. And hey, what about this guy? What about CFC? So, well, you see, CFC have 1, 2, and 3 chlorine. And that's the only reason why HCFC is way better than CFC. Just because it has less number of chlorine atoms in its structure. Several years after HCFC is introduced, now the ozone layer is getting much better than 2000. Now in 2020, we have quite a healthier ozone layer, but it's still harmful for a human. So people, as the conclusion, don't use air conditioner. Trust the natural air. Proven that either CFC or HCFC both will destroy our ozone layer. So it is all on our shoulder whether we want to use those CFC and release them to the ozone layer or not.